Hi there, this video today is about Loom. So Loom is an amazing screen recording product that allows you to record your screen, and it allows you to put your photo on the screen as well, your video on the screen as well. I have got dozens and dozens and dozens of Loom videos. The reason I use Loom is it's free for students, and for teachers you get Loom Pro free, which means it gives me unlimited videos. I think there is a limit of 30 minutes per video, but that's really long. And you've got this structure here where I can create folders in Loom and put all my videos in here. I can actually share a whole folder of videos with students if I want to, or if I could just make a one-off video. Now, rather than creating a video and then having to upload it to, say, YouTube and then sharing the link out of there, with Loom, as soon as you create the video, a link goes on your clipboard and you can then share it with people straight away. There's no uploading. It takes that step out, which is why I love it. So what I would do is when I sign into Loom, the first time you get going with Loom, you'll come to a page that looks like this. Yep, and so you can click on Get Loom for free. I usually sign up for Google because I have a Google account associated with my school email, or you can just go email address and create a free account that way as well. So once you've got Loom going, you can get a Chrome extension, which I've got sitting here, which makes it really easy. If I want to record a video in Chrome, I just click that extension and I can get going straight away. I allow the camera. Yep, I'll allow the camera. I can put that camera anywhere I like in the screen, and I'm off and running. You can actually move this during the presentation as well. Yep, so I can choose the microphone, choose the camera, start recording. As soon as it's finished, really easy. And then I can go to anything here within Chrome. It's great if you're just doing one browser that you're looking at, really cool. But sometimes you don't want to do something in Chrome. So what I advise is for you to, once you sign in, go to download the desktop app. All right, download the desktop app. So let's see what that looks like. Once I've downloaded it and signed in, whenever I want to create a video, I just use this. Now this will allow me to record anything on my screen, okay? So in this case here, I will choose this camera as the camera that I'm going to use. Here it is. I'm going to use this microphone as the microphone I'm going to use. And I get some options here about screen and camera, screen only, or camera only. You might just want to have just you giving some instructions to students. You don't need to do the screen, just a quick recording of you. You might want you without the camera in the corner like I've got here, or you might want both. So that's the first option. You've then got an option to select a certain window, a certain size area that you want to record. So I might want to record just a part of the screen or the full screen. I go for the full screen as well. There's now an option to create a canvas from which you can record on. So you get some template options like this. And you can create some text and sort of go over the top of those, or something like this, or something like this, and you can put your video in the middle there like that. So there is some options that you get there as well, okay? And just some text options, or you might just want a background like that or like this, okay, from which you can speak to. Yep, and then I can record from there. So there's some extra options there you get when you're wanting to use the Loom desktop app. Okay, let me go back there. So once you've got set up, I want to do a screen and my camera. Once you've got your recording settings about which camera, which headphones, which mic you want to use, you're just going to click start recording. So it gives you a countdown of 3, 2, 1, and then you're off and running. Okay, so I'm recording my video now. Notice that I can move the camera around anywhere I want on the screen as I'm recording. If you go under here, you can increase the size of that if you want to, make that bigger and smaller, which is handy. And then once I've finished, when I want to finish recording, I can click background. Let's have a blue background if I want to, and use those settings in the background. That looks nice. So I get some settings for what my camera looks like around there if you want to, and my background. So I've got a few extra settings there that's going on. And then when I'm finished, I just go down to my tray here and select the Loom icon, and then the video is finished. Straight away, the video will appear here in Loom, and you can see a little preview of it. Okay, so I'm recording my video now. Notice that I can move the camera, and there's the video being recorded. Okay, so it is on my clipboard. So if I go to an email now and select paste, that video will be on my clipboard. Really, really simple, right? No uploading required. Just a few things. Once you've got your video recorded, you might want to change the name. So I'm going to change the name of this one here, and you've got some video preferences. So do you want to allow comments? Probably not. Do you want people to be able to download your video, show analytics? Maybe not. So you've got a few things there. Great thing here in Loom is that you can now trim your video. Really simple. So if I want to trim out those last couple of seconds, I can do that. If I want to do this, split the video there and split the video there and then delete that part. Now that part's taken out. Save changes. Look how fast that was. Done. I've just edited my video. I just took out those 8 seconds. Really easy. I can change the thumbnail of the video like you can in a YouTube one, and then I can just share it. It's just on my clipboard. So I can embed the video if I want, or I can just copy the link to the video and send it to someone. Really, really, really simple way to record a video. Imagine if you have a class, you're going to need to give them some instructions rather than take the time to write it all out about exactly what you want to do. You could record a 30-second Loom video and give them the link in the class team. Here's the instructions for today. Easy done. Just one other thing, if I go back to the Loom app, so I'll just quickly show you the preferences there. So I'm going to open the Loom app again. So I want to make another recording. So up in the top corner here in the preferences, I might get some options about highlighting mouse clicks. So you'll see that you get some highlighting there, which looks really nice. Recording countdown, flip your camera around. So you do get some options here before you start setting up, all right? So those are also good to have. So in this case, when I start recording, you'll see I got the same one that I had last time. So this is a bit Inception-like. I'm recording a video of me recording a video, but you'll see that as I click, I get those little clicks on the screen, which makes it really nice as well. So yeah, there's some options there and some different things that you can do using Loom. Great for recording your screen.